Hello and welcome to this new lecture on operators. After data types, the next concept is operators. The following are the many types of operators. Number 1, arithmetic operators. Number 2, assignment operators. Number 3, logical operators. Number 4, comparison operators. Number 5, conditional operators. Number 6, type operators. Each operator will be discussed individually in this presentation. Okay, now declare a variable with the name x, and to begin, give it the value 15. Use the assignment operator now. Declare a second variable with the name y and the value of 20 in order to employ arithmetic operators. Next, define a new variable with the name z, and then use the arithmetic operator to combine x and y. Write x plus y to add variables. The plus symbol is an arithmetic operator. Do console.log now, z. This procedure's code is as follows. Let x equals 15, var y equals 20, const z equals x plus y, console.log z. Now, launch node index from the terminal. Thereafter, JS will print the result 35 in the terminal. Use the star arithmetic operator now and write x star y instead of x plus y to multiply the variables x and y. Return to the terminal now and then run node index. The output of the 300-fold multiplication in JS is displayed on the terminal. According to your personal preferences, you can perform additions, subtractions, multiplications, and divisions. Moreover, you can set reminders when using arithmetic operators. You can also use arithmetic equations which work as follows. Let x equals 15, var y equals 20, const z equals parenthesis 50 plus 50 star x, console.log z. You should read this code as add 50 into 50 and then multiply the answer with 15 and print the final result in the terminal. Now if you go to the terminal and run node index.js, the result 1500 will be displayed in the terminal. Now let's use the assignment operator. For this example, declare a variable x and assign a 20 value to it. After this, write x plus equals 5 and then do console.log x. The code for this procedure is as follows. X plus equals 5, console.log x. The code reads as multiply x by 20 and then add 5 to it. Now launch node index from the terminal. The number 25 will be printed in the terminal by JS. You should only perform additions with the assignment operator. You can perform additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions, and other operations as needed. Let's move on to the comparison operator, which allows you to compare two assertions against one another. To compare, data types and values must be equal. So there are three comparison operator signs: greater than, less than, and equal to. Let's declare two variables, x and y, with values of 30 and 40 respectively, so that you can grasp this idea. Start by console, use the equals sign, so x equals y to check whether a statement is true or false. This procedure's code is as follows. Var x equals 30, var y equals 40, console.log parenthesis x equal y. Now launch node index from the terminal. Because 30 and 40 are not equal to one another, the outcome of the JS code will be false in the terminal. Okay, now because 40 and 40 are equivalent to one another, the answer yes will be written in the terminal if the value of x and y are 40 and 40 respectively. Now, if you use a string in a single statement and use three equal signs, as in the example below, so var x equals 40, var y equals 40, console.log x equal y. Now the code's triple equal symbol means to check the statement and the data type. Now, because the data types of the x and y variables are different, false will be written in the terminal when you run node index.js. Here is how the equal to and equal operators are used. Okay, let's move on to the not equal to operator. An exclamation mark is used in the following code. So var x equals 30, var y equals 40, console.log, parenthesis, x, exclamation mark equals y. Now, if you open a terminal window and type node index.js, the contrary result, true, will be displayed instead of expected false. So instead of the expected false that we were looking to, we get true because of the exclamation mark. So the result false will be printed due to the fact that we used the exclamation mark in the event when the values of the x and y variables are equal to one another. In not equal to operators like equal to and equal type operators, you can check data types as well as statements. Okay, so the exclamation mark is the only distinction between the operators equal to and not equal to. Let's now examine the less than and more than operators. Declare two variables and provide them values for this purpose. So the following console command, var x equals 40, var y equals 40, console.log, parenthesis, x greater than y. Now, if you open a terminal and type node index.js, the result will be printed as false because x and y are equal to one another. So x cannot be greater than y. Now, if you alter the code's condition as follows, var x equals 40, var y equals 40, console.log, parenthesis, x is equal to or greater than y. So x is now greater than or equal to y. So if you open a terminal and type node index.js, the result will be printed as true. Now, if you apply the condition x greater than y, and x is equal to 41, and y is equal to 40, the result will be true because 41 is greater than 40. Now, if you apply the condition x greater than y, and x is equal to 41, and y is equal to 40, the result will be true because 41 is greater than 40. These operators, less and greater than, can be used. Okay, so these were the techniques for employing various operators. In the following lesson, we'll describe what are if-else statements and how to construct them. But for now, that's pretty much it. So let's move on.